Right, what you do is you go to Appearance, you click Theme Editor, then you go to the right hand side, you scroll down and click Theme Footer. Okay, and then at the bottom you just scroll down before the end of body, you just type in this line. So I've just typed this in, and you write the date. For example, you've started your website in 2018, so you will write 2018. Or if it has started in 2017, I'll just type it here. And then you just write, this is the website of yours. So I've just taken this part after www dot and just write the website after www dot. Just copy that and paste it here and update the file. At the end it says file successfully edited. Then you just go to your website and just have a look if it's first of written all, if it's written at the end file, then okay, that's where it's written 2017 to 2019 footslogin.com and it's copyrighted. So you need to change, like if it's like 2020 appears, then you need to go back to your footer, your theme footer, and you need to go back to your theme footer editor, theme editor, and then theme footer, and just change 2000 and so you just change the year to 2020 and just update the file again.